Alright guys, so real quick, I wanted to show you how to replace your oil temperature / level sensor. It's all built into one sensor, one device here. This sits on the bottom of the oil pan like this. So just quickly wanted to show you how to replace that. So underneath, what you'll have to do first is these screws here. You're going to have to remove the screws from the plastic tray using a 5/16 socket like this with a little extension. And then after you do that, you're going to have to use a 16 millimeter, right? Is that what it is? Yeah, 16 on a longer breaker bar like this, and then also a 16 small one to loosen them up all the way. Anyway, it's for this piece here. So after you drop this plastic tray, you're gonna have to remove this metal tray. See, it's right here. That's how it is. See, it's already moving. This comes off, and then the sensor will be in this area right here, under here. It would be nice if they put it in that little cutout, right? But no, they need to make life a little difficult, so it's right under here. Okay, so these two bolts you're also going to have to remove. This is off the front cover on each side, and I believe they are, let's see, 13 millimeter. So 13 millimeter for the ones that go right here. There's going to be, I'm sorry, where you go? Right in here. One on here on this side, and then one on the other side. So then you can drop down the entire cover. It's also a good time to wash that. I'm going to give it a wash with some degreaser. Get the oil off of there, and then there's going to be your sensor. It's going to be a lot easier, guys, to do this on a lift. But if you don't have a lift like me here, just in the driveway, it's also possible to be done. And then I believe those are 10 millimeter bolts. Alright guys, so when I had if you ever need a good cleaner to get that grease off, this wheel cleaner from Sonex does really good. Anyway, I wanted to show you the sensor. This is the old one, so it looks clean on the inside, so I'm guessing it wasn't a contact issue. What you'll do is you'll just press a tab on this side and press a tab on the other side. See how there's two teeth there, and it'll just slide off the connector. 3 10 millimeter bolts. This thing comes right out. So underneath here, you'll see, so cleaned up a little bit on the inside, and put the old sensor back in there, put the connector and the clip back on as well. We should be good to go. So basically from now on, guys, you just do the reverse process. Put this big metal piece tray back first with the bolts. There's 1 2 3 4 5 6, I believe, and then the plastic tray, and you'll be good to go.